Ever heard someone say, debt is bad, avoid it at all costs? Yeah, not exactly true. Not all debt is bad. In fact, some debt can actually be good. It helps you grow, build wealth, and level up your life. So today we're breaking down the difference between good debt and bad debt in simple, no BS terms. Let's go. All right, let's start with the ugly one, bad debt. This is the kind of debt that makes your wallet cry. It's borrowing money to buy things that lose value and don't help you earn more. Examples? Credit cards used for clothes, gadgets, or fancy takeout. A car loan for a car you can't afford. Buy now, cry later situations. It's like paying extra just to look cool for 5 minutes. The interest piles up, and suddenly you're paying $1,200 for that $400 jacket. Stylish and financially tragic. If it doesn't grow your income or increase in value, it's probably bad debt. Now let's talk good debt. Yes, it exists. This is the debt that helps you make money or build something valuable. Examples? A student loan for a degree that actually leads to a job. A mortgage for a house that appreciates in value. A business loan that helps you grow your side hustle into a money machine. Here's the trick. Good debt is like planting a seed. You spend money now, but it grows into something bigger. You're using debt as a tool, not a trap. And the best part? Good debt usually comes with lower interest rates because lenders trust you're doing something smart with it. But here's the catch. Even good debt can turn bad if you overdo it. Buying 10 rental properties with zero plan? That's not bold. That's chaos with paperwork. So how do you tell if a debt is good or bad? Ask this one simple question. Will this debt help me make more money or grow my net worth? If the answer is yes, probably good. If the answer is, well, I just really wanted it, probably bad. Bad debt equals short-term fun, long-term regret. Good debt equals short-term cost, long-term gain. Debt isn't always the villain. Sometimes it's the sidekick that helps you win, if you know how to use it. So next time you swipe that card or sign that loan, ask yourself, am I leveling up or just digging a hole? If this helped clear up the good versus bad debt confusion, hit that like button and subscribe for more real-life money tips in plain English. And hey, let me know in the comments. Have you ever had a bad debt moment you totally regret? No judgment. We've all been there.